Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar has continued to decline following the break of the recent support level of 66.3545 and is now near the challenge of 65.80. Meanwhile, the US dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, increased to 105.05. The greenback rebounded after the minutes of the US Federal Reserve's May meeting. Traders reacted cautiously as the central bank expressed concerns about persistent inflation, suggesting that interest rate cuts may not occur in the near future. However, Federal Reserve Jerome Powell reiterated in his 1st of May press conference that he expects the move on rates to be lower than higher. So looking at the technicals, the market is a little bit oversold, and therefore we could expect to see a bounce from 65.80 and look up towards 66.5, and still holding and waiting for the break of 67.40.45 to support the rally on to 68 cents. Into its 5th day, the market has slowly declined towards a support or trend line seen at 107.60.80. I do anticipate the bulls to return from this region and eventually see a rebound back towards 108.65, then on towards the target of 109 to 110. Price action for dollar yen grinds higher and now looks towards the region of 157.15 to 157.60. Although I have little view to the upside, I still expect another down test, as we can see from the whipsaw price action given above 157, could see an immediate move back towards the region of 156 to 155 and reassess from there in case we see a deeper fall. Profit taking finally emerged for sterling. As we can see, the market took a stab to the upside and backs away from 127 and now looking towards the support level seen around 126.40, which I anticipate a bullish response. If so, could see a bounce back towards 127 and on to 128, where the initial call is, where the February highs are. Moving on to gold, we can see the market has taken another tumble and now wrapping up a $100 move in 48 hours. In light of the pattern, it's still somewhat heavy, and given the fact that we could see a further fall, maybe looking towards the region of 2,250 to 80. Any upside challenges? Views the resistance around 2,351 to 55. Wrapping up with oil, the market is still somewhat mixed after 4 days of weakness, still attempting to break lower. Therefore, if we see a break of 76.40.55, then I feel the market may head on towards this measured move from this head and shoulders pattern and does look towards 72.65 to 73.5. But wait for the break and a close of New York of 76.40 to support that call. Otherwise, we may see this base hold and therefore look back towards $78 a barrel. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the great start to the new weekend.